I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the display resolution on your PS5. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. Step 2. Click Screen and Video in the Settings menu. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Make sure Video Output is chosen in the menu on the left side of the screen. Navigate to the Resolution and Frequency section and then click Resolution. A menu pops up with options you can change your PS5 resolution to. Step 4. Choose the resolution you want to display your PlayStation 5 in. The screen will go dark for a second. When it returns, the display will be in your newly chosen resolution. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.